And our addiction to entertainment is paving the way for our ghafla. Now, what are the consequences of that? The consequences of ghafla aren't just limited to you don't do dhikr. There are additional consequences. When you forget Allah, you forget to be appreciative of Him, and you also forget, you're not as fearful of Him. When those two things go away, what floodgates are open? Sin. Maybe it's harmless entertainment at first. Maybe you're playing like Pac-Man. Maybe it's harmless, there's no haram in it. Maybe Mrs. Pac-Man is not wearing hijab or something. But it's not that haram. But when ghafla happens and you're not conscious of Allah anymore, then, I don't know, some commercial plays in the middle, and you see some image you shouldn't see, and you don't change the channel. Your ghafla lets you stay and watch and watch and watch, and every time you take in sin, there's a little stain on your heart and my heart, and more and more and more, until the whole heart gets covered in dirt, mud. And at that point, when you pray, you know nothing's going on. And you're wondering, how come nothing's going on? You cannot remove that mud without effort. I can't remove that mud without effort. We have to cleanse ourselves from an addiction to entertainment. We have to get it out of our system. We have to remove it from our system. We have to replace that time with dhikr. If you don't have the concentration to sit and recite astaghfirullah 1,000 times, which is okay, you don't even have and what's going to happen also? Allah says recite Quran, right? The remedy. What's going to happen when you recite Quran every time? Guaranteed. Guaranteed. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى. You will pass out before you know it. Happens or no? Shaitan is amazing at hypnosis. Amazing. You're so tired, sleepy, just go to sleep. And you're about to go to sleep. Contrast it, you're about to go to sleep. It's 12 o'clock at night. You woke up at 5 in the morning. Your body needs rest, your eyes are crying, and somebody says, yo, I just got a new movie. Your eyes are like this. Are you going to finish the whole movie or no? Guaranteed you'll finish the whole thing. And you haven't even prayed Isha yet. And so you watch the whole movie, you had energy for that. And somebody said, hey, there's some soda downstairs. You'll run downstairs and get the soda, or get the chips or whatever. But the 4 rak'ahs for Isha at least that you could have made, you don't have the energy for, just a little later. Let me just lie down for a second. I'll get up and pray. And then you woke up at 10 in the morning. And you feel bad for about 5 minutes. You feel bad. It's not like you won't feel bad. Maybe there's some soul left inside you. You'll feel bad about 5 minutes. And then what's going to happen after that? What's going on tonight? Let's do something tonight again. And it starts all over again. SubhanAllah. What did Allah say? Call on Allah when? Bil-ghuduwi wal-asal. Respect the times of prayer. That's part of fighting ghafla. Don't trivialize the times of prayer. Don't allow your nights will destroy your life. I'm telling you. Ghafla, the battle against ghafla is the battle against doing bad things at night. Making stupid decisions at night. Pray Isha and go to sleep. Pray Isha and go to sleep. Keep yourself busy with good things. If you can't, at least keep yourself busy with sports. Something productive, exercise, something, just not entertainment. At least when you're exercising, you're not taking in things that are destroying your heart. At least that's not happening. At least you're feeding your body, but not ruining your soul. Entertainment is not feeding your body, and it's also at the same time destroying your soul. It's doing both. That's the time we're living in. And I tell you, one thing leads to another. It starts with an innocent thing. It starts with a YouTube video, and a Hulu thing, and a Netflix thing, and a this thing, and a that thing, and eventually it grows into filth. People get addicted to filth.